Hi everyone and welcome to another Read Aloud video. We hope you all are having a wonderful time celebrating the colorful festival of Holi. But do you all know why we celebrate it? Let's find out with this book called Amma Tell Me About Holi, written by Bhakti Mathur and illustrated by Molshri Somani. So let's turn the page. Now, shall we? There once lived a little boy, Klaka was his name. Countless friends he had with whom he played many a game. Large eyes, a wide smile, teeth like pearls in a row. His brother was called Kiki and his golden dog Frodo. Every night, their Amma tucked Klaka and Kiki into bed, and then it would be time for a story to be read of queens brave and kings handsome, of pirates cunning and demons fearsome. Today, Klaka was excited, but the day passed slowly, for Amma had promised to tell him all about Holi. He'd been a gong since morning, waiting for bedtime. He hopped into Amma's lap soon as he heard the clock chime. My favorite festival of all, said Amma, is the festival of colors we call Holi. It's the coolest party of the year, celebrated with friends and family. A day to have fun, forget all the rules. A day to be as naughty as you can be, fling water balloons that go splat and drench Kiki and Daddy and me. Shoot with water pistols called pichkaris, smear paint on and get smeared by friends. Creep up on them slowly from behind and pour a bucket of water over their heads. Happy Holi! But why color someone? Asked Klaka. And why let them smear and drench us? Amma said that comes from a tradition started long ago by Krishna the mischievous. You see, Krishna was blue like the sky, but his friend Radha was white as snow. And Krishna would often ask his Amma, why isn't Radha blue like me? Why is it so? One day, his Amma said to him in jest, I really can't say why Radha isn't blue. Why don't you throw some blue color on her if you want her to look just like you? Naughty Krishna did exactly that. And the prank he played that day became a tradition that we celebrate as the beautiful festival of Holi today. The colored dyes of Holi are called Gulal and Abir. Years ago, these colors were made from the leaves of the Palash tree. Holi falls on the day of the full moon in March when flowers again bloom. It marks the arrival of cherry spring and the end of winter's cold bloom. The night before Holi, we burn a big bonfire of twigs and branches to celebrate the burning of Holika, who was a really evil enchantress. From Holika does Holi get its name, and it also marks the celebration of all that is good in the world and of evil's ultimate decimation. Holika was the evil sister of a demon king as wicked as can be. His name was Hiranyakashipu and he caused terror across the country. He wanted everyone to worship only him as the divine Lord and mercilessly punish those who did not bow to him as God. Spotting Prahlad in a prayer one day, the king asked, who do you pray to? Unafraid, Prahlad firmly answered, to my only true God, Lord Vishnu. Hiranyakashipu screamed in anger, "Who is greater, your Vishnu or I?" Prahlad smiled at him calmly, "Lord Vishnu," as he replied. The protector of our world is the loving God Vishnu in his many forms, his avatars. He watches over me and you. Just like Krishna, Vishnu too is the color of the deep blue sea. He lives in the heavenly ocean with his wife, Goddess Lakshmi. Vishnu watches over us as he lies on a snake with 1,000 heads. The divine creature is Sheshnag, who serves as his master's bed. The wicked king Hiranyakashipu was so angered by Prahlad's reply, to make a terrifying example of him, decided that the boy must die. He made his men hurl Prahlad in the path of elephants wild. It was nothing short of a miracle that no harm came to the child. Into a hall crawling with angry snakes was the poor Prahlad next thrown. Yet again he walked out unharmed by the grace of Lord Vishnu alone. Evil Holika, whom no fire could harm, finally decided it was her turn. To help her brother, she would end Prahlad's life by making him burn. With Prahlad in her lap, she sat on logs of wood used for a pyre and laughed wickedly at the boy as the king's men lit the fire. Brave Prahlad stayed calm as he chanted Vishnu's name. Lo and behold, he was untouched while Holika perished in the flame. Why did Holika's magic fail her? Because her aim was to harm. Only when used to help others does power work like a charm. Klaka let out a deep breath. The story had him spellbound. Amma, he said, I can hardly wait for colorful Holi to come around. But I have one more question, Amma. What is Holi's bestest color? All colors are beautiful, she said, just like every child is to his mother. Long after Holi has come and gone and the colors are washed away, our endless love for each other with us will forever and ever stay. So the color of love is my favorite, you see, as it is the only one that lasts for eternity. With those words, Klaka fell asleep. That night, he dreamt happily of playing with Radha and Krishna, the colorful festival of Holi. The end. We hope you liked it. Bye bye and see you next time.